Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Kania and welcome back to another episode of my channel. Today's video, I am cleaning up the kitchen. We're going to be doing just a few things, a little here and there. It's not going to be nothing crazy. I always straighten up the kitchen before I shut it down, so this is just what I normally do on a daily basis, and I just want you guys to watch me do this. It's very simple. A lot of people don't know how to just put the kitchen to sleep or even put stuff back. Even if you need help, ask for help. If you don't have help, do one thing at a time. It's not that serious. Don't overwhelm yourself. Don't overcomplicate it. It's very, very simple. Okay, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos of me cleaning, so if you do like me cleaning videos like this, definitely leave it in the comments down below. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next